what is creativity? Through the years, our image of what it means to be creative has evolved. Creativity is not just about art making. Applied creativity is meant to be applied to something. It's a mindset that we can apply to engineering, or to business, or to any other field of thought. But how do we teach applying creativity? It's transforming people by making them aware of their innate creative skill and empowering them to apply it. We have broken this transformation into 4 steps. First step is vulnerability. Human creativity demands the courage to be imperfect, the compassion to be kind to ourselves and to others, and the willingness to take risks. To teach this, we have to model vulnerability. When a student knows they will be valued for being who they are, they're able to take bigger risks and create bigger ideas. 2, vocabulary is teaching students the language necessary to communicate those ideas. When students can talk about creative problem solving, critical thinking, and collaboration in language everyone can understand, others can get excited about their ideas. 3, vocation is about helping students reflect on their sense of purpose, passion, and possibility. Giving equal power to their own lived experience as a partner to their academic experience not only recognizes others' insight, it also gives opportunity to diverse perspectives. Finally, we validate. As the teacher, you have to believe in the creative transformation. These are not soft skills. The 21st century workforce needs people who can be curious, think critically, and be creative problem solvers. If we model and apply that creative mindset, we can unleash a transformation in all our students.